Hi class, I'm Sarah Stacy. I'm the proud dog mom of our Australian cattle mix, Brandy. We rescued her 4 years ago, and since she's been with us to Yosemite and Crater Lake, you'll see that I love being in the outdoors. Every summer, I try to plan a trip with my friend Sarah to camp or ride our bikes. Here we are crossing the Canadian border from Vermont, and we are headed to Montreal. Professionally, I manage the urban forest in San Francisco, and I'm fortunate in that I get to spend about 60% of my time outdoors, except for days like this. This was September 9th, Armageddon. In my spare time, I like to do lithography, which is drawing on limestone with a greasy material and printing additions from the stone. You won't be surprised to know I love animals and wildlife and believe climate change is one of our most pressing challenges. Well, that's me in 60 seconds. I look forward to seeing you in class.